Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect FTMO to cTrader. The first thing that you need to know that if you created yourself an account on FTMO, it needs to be the same email address that you are using in your cTrader application. So let's look right here. I'm using right here this email address, and I'm also using right here this email address. Then when you create right here on FTMO an account, so let's do right here start free trial, then he will load exactly the page right here. And if you now click here on two-step is fine, select right here your currency, so let's do US dollar, select right here your balance, so let's do 200k. Then right now the FTMO standard is fine, and now the most important part will come. Click right here on cTrader. Then right now you click right here on start free trial. Also fill in right here your email address, start free trial again. And then right now he's creating an account for us to use on cTrader. So right now there we are. And now you will find here your email address, the platform and your login. And now if you go right here to cTrader and we go right here, right in the top, you will find here your FTMO platform. So now we click on this and now we are having FTMO right here in cTrader. So this is exactly how you can connect FTMO in cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.